Let's detail how to change the DPI settings on a Redmi 14C. First, let's become a developer. Open the device's settings and select About Phone. Find the information about your operating system version. Click on it 7 times in a row. You will be notified that you have become a developer. This is required to access your device's special settings. Now, for changing DPI, return to the main settings menu and scroll down to additional settings. Open the developer options. If you can't find this item, make sure you've done the first step correctly. Find the option Smallest Width. This will be the place where you can adjust your device's DPI. To change the DPI, enter a new value. For example, if you want to make the interface element smaller, enter a value such as 450. If you want to make it look bigger, try 280. After changing the value, note how the display changes. You can always go back and change again if you don't like the result. Now you know how to set the DPI in a way that will give you the most comfortable visual experience from using your Redmi 14C. Thank you for watching, subscribe to our channel and enjoy!